Hey there, language adventurers. Hope you are fine and you are ready to learn more Korean. It's your Korean buddy Nim Bee reporting from ZEP, ready to unlock some secret Korean powers with you. Today, we're diving into something super powerful in Korean: double consonants and complex vowels. Yep, those mysterious looking combos that make your Korean sound way more native. Let's go! Let's start with double consonants, or as I call them, the power twins. They're also called tense consonants or complex consonants. And also we call them sang in Korean, means twins. Okay, look at these alphabets. They look like this. Here's the magic. They are not just stronger, they are spicier. Look at these two. The left one is kyok, which sounds g, and the right one is 상gyok, sounds like g. See? Stronger, g. The next is the, and the sang ticket is the, which is really stronger. Now you get the idea. They're tense, punchy, and you'll sound way more native if you master them. Try these words with me. Number 1 is goma, 2 is bang, and dial. You have to pronounce these 5 stronger than their single form. Now, let's see how we should write them down correctly. Let's get to each picture and practice them together. First one is this one, 상gyok. Look at the directions. I draw the arrows to see more obviously how to write these alphabets. Look at the directions and follow them to write the alphabet correctly. Okay, now that you understand how to write this letter, let's see an example for it. The example is 토끼. Pay attention to my pronunciation. It is 토끼, which means rabbits. Let's move to the next one. 상티켓, and pay a very good attention to the arrows. See, we have to write this letter in 4 directions, as you can see in the picture. Okay, let's see one example for this. The example is 허리띠. 허리띠 means belt in English, belt. Let's move to the next one. This one is 상시옷. And this letter also, like 상티켓, writes in 4 directions. The example is 쓰레기, trash. Okay, next one is 상피ət. The sound is b. Look at the directions. The example for this letter is bang. Okay, bang in English is bread. And the last double consonant in Korean alphabet is 상지읒, which sounds like j. Okay, look at the directions and follow them to write the letters correctly. Let's have an example for 상지읒. The example is 오른쪽, right. Okay, 오른쪽. Okay, we learned completely the 5 complex consonants in Korean alphabet. Now, let's level up with complex vowels. Let's go in these directions to see them here. Okay, in these pictures, you can see the complex vowels. We have 11 complex vowels. These are like vowel fusions. You have to put 2 basic vowels together and make complex vowels or compound vowels. Let's see what we have here. Please don't panic. I break it down for you like a K-pop dance. Don't worry at all. Okay, The first complex vowel is a, which we write it in 3 moves, in 3 directions, exactly like what you're watching now here in this picture. The letter a and e combine together and make a new vowel, like 생선, 생선, fish in English. Next one is yeah. The letter ya plus e makes yeah in Korean. The example is like 얘기. 얘기 means talking or story. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next one is 에. The letter o plus e makes 에. The example is cake, cake in English. And next one, yeah. The letter 여 plus e makes yeah in Korean. We have these examples. 폐, which means lungs. Next one, 와. 2 letters o and a combine together and makes 와. Like 과자, snack. Next one, 왜. O and 에 makes 왜. The example is 돼지, pig. 왜. Something like the previous one, but a little different. Look at the English pronunciation I wrote for you at the bottom of that letter, okay? The example is 뇌, brain. Next one, 워. U and o makes 워, like shower. Next is 왜. U plus 에, 왜. Shorter. And the example is sweater. Next one, we. U plus e, we. Like 귀, ear. And the last one is this one, we. Like 의자, chair. Okay, we finished the complex letters in Korean, and actually we finished the whole letters in Korean, whole Korean letters. Now here we have the alphabet tree, which we're going to have all letters in one page. Okay, let's see what we have here. Here's a full summary of all the consonants and vowels grouped and named for you. Let's wrap it up with this cheat sheet. We have basic consonants here, which we learned them in the last video, in the first video about the Korean alphabet. Let's review 기역, 니은, 티귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시읒, 이응, 지읒, 키읔, 티읒, 지읒, 피읍, and 히읗. And in this row, we have the basic vowels like a, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, 유, 으, and e. And what we learned today are in this group. Okay, we have double consonants here: 상격, 상티귿, 상시읒, 상지읒, and 상피읍. And the last part is complex vowels like a, 예, 에, 예, 와, 왜, 워, 왜, 위, and 의. You can see all the Korean alphabets at a glance, and you can see that how everything fits together. We call the consonants 자음, and the vowels, we call them 모음 in Korean language. Okay guys, Korean letters are like building blocks, and now you've unlocked the advanced combos. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode where we'll use them in real conversations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a Korean word with a double consonant in the comments. Don't forget, tiny lessons, big progress with NimBee. See you soon guys. 안녕히 가세요.